Imagine losing YouTube views to a skeleton. Well, it's happening. These skeleton channels are pulling millions of views and some of them are growing faster than creators spending weeks on regular videos. So let me show you exactly how these viral skeleton videos are made for free. Skeleton videos works because they are weird, entertaining and educational at the same time. People stop scrolling because the visuals look different. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist and let's make these skeleton videos together. First, open ChatGPT. Now think of a topic. For example, skeleton working a 9-to-5 job. Then ask ChatGPT to generate an image and video prompt for your skeleton short. Now you can copy the prompt I given in the description. ChatGPT will instantly generate prompts for you. Now let's generate your skeleton visuals. Go to Gemini, upload a screenshot of a sample image and click on Create Image. Next, paste your image prompt and submit it. And in a few seconds, Gemini will turn your imagination into reality. If Gemini adds random chows, you can just clean it up and download the image when satisfied. Now it is the time for the real magic. Open Google Flow and create a new project. Upload your skeleton image into Google Flow and adjust the setting for the shorts video format. Make sure that the aspect ratio is 9:16. Now just paste the video prompt with dialogue and click on send. And let Flow bring your skeleton to life. And just like that, your first skeleton short is ready.
Every day I wake up and do the exact same thing. I think I died years ago.
So yes, skeletons are out here stealing views, but now you know exactly how to do it too. Use one of the idea, one for the visuals and another for movements. And once you get this system down, you can create endless viral content. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel and like the video and share the video.